So, so this is basically going to be a backtesting video where I'm going to be backtesting or like top five trades of the week or what I should have did, whatever it is. I think it's something that goes around like this. Like it's top five trades of the week. So it's going to be like that. It's gonna be it's gonna be like that. Anyways. Mm, okay, we're up in MNQ. I'm gonna should take off the time 8:40. Okay, let's keep it here. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have to release. I mean, take off all these things. Mhm. Oh, Manji, let's go. So sweep. All I wanted to see is this. All right. I wanna see a fill up on that, or probably I wanna see a close about that. I mean, I should at least, if I'm gonna buy market open, should have to sweep that too. So I'm not going to 15 minutes because I don't want to waste time, bro. 15 minutes has a fair value up here, and it's on hold. I guess uh, this can be a potential liquidity down there. And price already sweeps below. So let's see what happens, eh? I really don't remember any of that. So I'm not gonna go with 5 minutes. So that's all I nine. Yep, there you go. What we should do. Patiently wait. That's what I'm gonna do. Set a bit. Okay. That's what I want. And once I see this, oh, this is actually out of my time frame, bro. This is actually out of 11:30. Okay. I'm gonna go and close this. So I'll actually buy up here. Keep my stop loss below this. My take profit would be the recent high, right? Um, yeah, that would be it. Uh, let's try this out, right? So if I'm in the live market, I should be doing this. So that's the main purpose of me actually taking the trades again after a week. So so it's going to be like that. I might have probably went break even over there. So okay, even though that's not bad. Break even. So that would be Mondays, probably I didn't get any setup. I would never ever trade again in this session. Monday no trade. So yeah, Monday actually no trade at all. Let's go with the cheating again. Um, I hate when this happens. Like I cannot even if I take a trade, I cannot hold this trade after. So there is no entry model up there. And Monday was nothing. I actually say it's nothing. Monday was really, really, really nothing. To be honest. Okay. Come on, I have to go on to 5 minutes again. So that's a sweet, 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 sweet. No, so that it's a sweet. How about a high? And how about 840? Let's see how it goes. Yeah, see that. Why I'm so confident on this? Because that's all time high. And when you actually see some sort of like when you actually see a volume with that, you can just actually enter into it. Like because price is at all time, it's not gonna go up all the way again. But even if it wanna go up, it should have to actually like respect this fair value up here. And it didn't do it. So which means it's going down. So I actually ended right up here. Let's say right up there. I'm gonna keep my stop loss up here. My take profit to the downside, like to sell side liquidity. That's actually like not the place that it's gonna be idle, but it can be a place where you can actually target the price. So that's an inverse stop loss, take profit. Everything is set. All you gotta do is just wait up and close the trade. You know what I mean? But let's see how it goes. So I'm not even going to say anything, bro. So this trade, I actually took this trade to be honest. I even take this. I even took this trade on live. I guess I took this trade live, bro. So I closed my position right around here. But I know for a fact that I should be holding the price until here. But I still don't do it. Okay. So, but let's be realistic, right? Let's be realistic. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna actually like. Let's be realistic, bro. I don't. I have the plots. Let me go with 30 comics. That's what I did. Sell up here. Keep my stop loss up here. Take profit. All the way down. That's what I did, brother. That's what I did. I closed my position right up here. And basically, it's my take profit in the next one. And I'm done for the day. And I didn't even touch my laptop after that. And if I'm gonna say that, I will be lying. But all I wanted to see is a sweep about this high. Probably hold this 15 minutes for value gap. I really don't remember any of that. I'm just basically just looking into the charts and just doing this thing, like whatever the price is showing me now. That's what I wanted to see. Like, so look, even if it's like this, right? If I could just take a trade out of here, let me just go ahead. And that's gonna be my target, right? That's gonna be my target. And probably, most probably, I might actually okay, that's an equal high, to be honest. That's not an equal high, but yeah, look, it's going to be the buy side liquidity and something that you can easily target, right? Okay, let's go. Let's go and yeah, look into the prices actually giving us. And I actually sell up here. I don't even know why I did that, but like, look, we all do mistakes, right? But what I should have done with my model, I didn't follow my model, to be honest. Yeah, there you go. Bye. Keep your stop loss below. Take profit. Do that, right? This is what I need to do every single day, bro. So one trade per day and just walk away. So I'm up 2,815. I should wait. I should be waiting for the price to do this thing. And it's almost giving me all right 4.5. Look, look at this. At this time, I might go break even. What did I say? It's actually stopped me out at break even and just smashes my take profit. Fuck's sake. Anyways, all good, brother. Good. All good. To be honest, what I might have done, I might have probably entered another position right on here, already stopped out at break even, and probably trying to hold that trade to take profit. But basically, I would have been lost a lot if I did that. Anyways, this is what I need to do. Anyways, we go the next day, like Wednesday. Probably this Wednesday. Like, let's go to Thursday. Thursday and Friday was no trading day, to be honest. For me, it was no trading day. I actually didn't trade. Like even here, I could just target this. Let's see how if it takes that high. So look, that's the internal sweep. That's an internal sweep up here. And there's the fair value gap reinvest. Yeah, and get into a position right around here. Keep your stops below the fair value gap. Target the recent high. So it's giving you three. One is to three. And all that you need is one is to one probably. If you need to be profitable, like you just need to be. You just need to hit 1:1 out of 10 out of 7, and that can make you actually profitable. And here I am talking about profitability, and I don't even know what I should be doing. Uh, hmm, nice. It's all good. I might never be in a tree like that. So let me go to 15 minutes again. Let's go to, oh, wow. Bro, masih bro. Ini lagi no. Kami recording lah. Recording lah. Recording lah itu kan. Ông ghé đâu này? Anh ghé đâu này? Ông ở đây đâu anh chỉ ngáo tao nhớ được. Ni recording lah itu. Awak tu lagu yang super bro. So that's like an all-time high. That's like an all-time. Price might be ripping up. So London didn't do much, and also because they had a nice spot price action, bro. Really negative. I can see the vibe, bro. I'm black. Didn't even give me a time, bro. Didn't even give me time to even take a trade. Okay, let me just look. Probably it's going to sell side. Um, yeah, like 2 weekly. Ah, cool. Let's just go back up here. So that's an inverse. That's a fair value gap. Start from the bottom, now be up. Start from the bottom, now my whole damn fucking start from the bottom, now be up. It's gonna be up there. That's gonna be my stop loss. So I'm gonna take profit. Every sec, I'm done. All you gotta do is just like Alex FX, bro. Set and forget. That's why I bring my stop loss up here. That's like the first break structure after the probably can be a sweep. Okay, look at that. At this position, I might probably do that thing. Okay. Okay. This high is going to be my sweet stop loss. All I need to do is this one thing, bro. And I'm not doing it. No, I'm not doing it. So what's the model? Market open, it has to invest, it has to sweep some sort of liquidity. And it should be inversing a fair value gap, no issue. So let's say, right? Let's say this is actually a high and price sweeps that, and also the price is inside top. Make- Anyways, price sweeps and also inside of fair value gap. So which gives us two confluence done. And one more confluence is that you need to have an inverse. And inverse, that we can take up here, we can take an entry up here in probably just like a huge displacement. This is a parallel that's been holding. So then we might hesitate to take that trade. But look, I'm gonna give you another confluence. So price comes up. If it holds this fair value gap, right? If price actually holds this fair value gap, you know, I'm gonna tell you that's really good, 50%. And if it holds the fair value gap, it has to come back up and sweep that high, sweep this high to be right, sweep this high. But what happened? It got protected. So which means so we basically have it. I mean, basically holding this fair value gap, and we have one more thing, one more thing like this. What's that? An internal high. An internal high is getting swept and instantly getting rejected and made like price actually inversing a fair value gap. So which gives us an entry model. We can actually enter and right up here, probably like even after seeing this, probably might have not entered. Like maybe after seeing this, that's a close about the low. I might probably, if I was in there, I might probably enter right up here. Where would I keep my stop loss? About the fair value gap. Even if I do that, price is giving me more than I actually should be taking the market. So, anyways, so let's see. So, price creating fair value gap. We enter on the fair value gap where you keep your stop loss to the high, right? That's where you should be. And that's where you should be keeping your stop loss. Or maybe here, somewhere around here. Okay, let's keep it here because we don't have spreads on the futures. So price comes back with a fair value gap, retest. So once after seeing this fair value gap, you can keep your stop loss up here and you can just chill. So keep your stop loss. So once price holds another fair value gap, pushes down, creates another fair value gap, that's when you can actually break in that trade. So once you break in the trade, you can actually take some partials off here probably, or just let it run and keep the stop loss at break even. So you have two options, bro. But anyways, it's up to you what you're gonna take. So this is what I should have been doing. And if I were to do that, I would probably having $6,225 on a day, I mean on a week. So I still got the game, bro. I still got the game. I don't have the psychology. That's it. I got the game. I don't have the psychology for it. Pushes way down low. I don't know. Probably never been cold. Never would have thought that way until that. I actually didn't journal a lot at least. So, okay. Okay. Peeps. That's a fair yeah. Invest. It's about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, that's nothing on it. It's about 1 minute. We are almost at market open. Nice. Can you take that? Can you take that as a sign? Never going to do that bullshit of, oh no. Mm, maybe in this time you shouldn't stop us saying, nigga, said it another man and think about any jam. I gotta go bad. Bad. So I just watched the price go to its draw on liquidity, which is previous week's low, previous week's low. So that's where it is. And I wanted to see a sweep below this low too, which was really, really hard. And I couldn't actually like take a trade up there. Well, anyways, that was a pretty good day because I actually held my demons inside my head and I couldn't actually react to it. And I was actually looking at the charts up here, and I might have probably taken a trade, but I told myself not to. And I followed, and I kept my word on it. Only thing is, every word I put that shit on. Nobody. Always gotta be money. Always gotta be hoes. Always gotta be something. The only thing you got is your word. I put that shit on. Nobody. Anyways, that's a good song to be honest. I really like it. But I wouldn't say he's the greatest rapper and shit like that. Look, that's a good song. But yeah, I'll actually try that space. Wait, late. See, see, this is actually a good setup. Good setup, right? Creates a fair value gap and actually like roasts about. Okay, let's see. You can actually enter on that. Where is your target? That's a question, right? It could be a target. That could be a stop loss. Let's wait up. Let's wait up. Yeah. I'm not gonna do any of that, bro. Fuck no, I would be fucking closing it. As I'm saying this, bro. I'm gonna keep my stop loss about it. I never do some shit like that. I would have closed way about, bro. I would have closed to way, way, way about. About 14,000 for a week. I'm out. 14,000 for a week. Fuck, that's a life. Fuck that. No, that's going to take a lot of time for me to do. For the psychology that I have, bro, it's gonna fuck me up, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna hit the bed, so it's almost. Let me just show that to bro. Why? Why would I be scared of seeing what's meaning? So it's almost like 3:23. And I'm still up doing almost just backtesting. And what I could have done, what I could have avoided. Hey, but I'm gonna have to say I do 3 accounts this week. So, anyways, I'm not scared of it. I'm not gonna give up because of that bullshit. I'm not that, bro. I'm not pussy. I'm, I'm gonna keep going. And I can do this when I can do some shit like this. All I need to do is to sit simply and just wait for your setup and pay that and risk manage yourself. That's all you're gonna do. Like what, not even a single trade actually didn't go my way. It's just my fucking psychology, my stupid fucking brain that's not listening to me. And which is the thing that I'm trying to like keep on repeating myself, saying that okay, you don't have to do this, like just wait for your setup. Like actually like normal person, like just wait for your setup and just do your thing, bro. Like you actually got this. You actually got this. The thing is that you're not actually being patient. That's the only thing, bro. And you don't know how to manage your risk. So if you master both of those, like you're gonna have to have your psychology, you're gonna have to have your risk management on track, bro. If you lose either of them, you're gonna lose both. So if you're gonna lose psychology, you're gonna lose this management. You're gonna lose this management. You're gonna lose psychology. That's written somewhere, like written. I mean, like tattooed on your fucking forehead. To be honest, if you want to do it, if you're gonna lose your psychology, if you are going to lose your psychology, you're gonna lose your stock. You're gonna lose your risk management. So if you lose your risk management, you're gonna lose your psychology. So something that's very deep, and I didn't actually read that anywhere, but it's something came up in my mind, and I'm on. That's gonna be my quote. To be honest, I actually don't read any books, but actually started reading some of the books about trading. Uh, to be honest, it worked a bit, but I'm gonna have to keep on reminding myself like what I need to do, what I not to do. Like if I stop reminding myself, I'm gonna keep repeating the same shit again and again and again. So, anyways, Monday is going to be a good day to be honest. I mean, like Monday is going to be a good day, and I get to really see that. Um, if I could make 14 grand per week, imagine, bro, that's everybody's dream. Like make 10K per month. I can do that in a week. That's basically like awesome. I hope I will do it for real someday. And everything will be documented, to be honest. Yeah. Fuck you. You guys want to see. Adios.